Hi guys, my name is Earvin and we're gonna be cooking Pinoy Pad Thai. First, we're going to turn on the stove and then when we're waiting for the pan to get hot, we're gonna be putting oil. Tapos, konting butter. And then, habang hinihintay na mag-melt to, garlic. And then, I'm gonna be getting onion. Tapos, lagyan natin siya. Sa isa. Hipon. Ang pagbalat ng hipon, una, tanggalin natin yung ulo. You can season this with salt and pepper. The cooked Pansit Canton. Like so. Yan. Payaman. I'm going to put in 1 egg. Mixture. The Lucky Me seasoning. The Pansit Canton seasoning. Part of it we're going to be putting them all together. Like para healthy. Toge. Bell pepper and carrots. Yan. We're done. This is the best part. Tiki man. Narinig yung crunchiness ng toge. Perfect nito. Pinoy Pad Thai.